Hello there, we just arrived in Chiang Mai and we are here to hang out with our new boss for a couple days, our director of Southeast Asia in Chiang Mai. So we're looking forward to being here and already happy to see mountains all around our hotel. Very exciting, something we don't have in Phnom Penh, and at least not close by. And it's nice weather, it's very shady here and kind of not so hot at the moment, which is nice. So we're thankful to be here in Chiang Mai. And this morning I'm getting to go to Ristretto, which is a coffee shop that I've been wanting to check out. Hello. Good morning. What's good here? What's the best?
This one is signature here.
Okay.
Hot coffee and cold coffee.
Okay. That hot coffee.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it just a latte basically?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's made by the #1 guy in the world? Okay, yeah. That's good. Yeah.
Okay. Water. Water? Yeah. Yep. On the table.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so among my many things that I want to do while we're here in Chiang Mai was check out Ristretto, which is like one of the best latte arts in Southeast Asia. So here's my cup of coffee that just came up. There's a unicorn on it. I don't necessarily care about unicorns, but I like this one.
They made a unicorn on it.
Pretty awesome. Now I want to taste it and see what it tastes like. Can I taste it now? Hot now. Got mine heated up, so now the unicorn is gone, but the coffee is hotter, which is good. I've been following up on this Khao soy place to check out for quite a while. I watch a lot of other videos on YouTube, and this is the one that seems recommended. So we're here today, and you can tell by just the amount of people that are here that it's going to be incredible. I've already seen one come out to the table and it just looks amazing. So I'm really looking forward to having some beef khao soy here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Oh, okay. So here we have some delicious khao soy beef. And